I do pretty much all of my welding outdoors, and I always find myself wasting time gathering the tools needed, the accessories, the gloves and the rods and so on. So I decided to make a model and SketchUp of a unit that can carry everything I need in a portable kit. I printed the plans, so let's make ourselves a mock-up. I'm using low-grade 12mm fur ply because this is a prototype and I don't even know if it's gonna work out, but let's hope it does. As a template for the handle part, I'll be using this box made on the CNC by my friend Matthias, and he made a great video about it. You'll find a link to that very video down below. I'm gonna give all of the pieces a quick cleanup on the routing table. Like I said, this is just a prototype, but it's more fun this way. Now the pieces are cut to size and ready for assembly. I sure hope they fit. Nailing or clamping this part was a bit tricky, so I just put a weight on it and grabbed a coffee. Well, it's the moment of truth. I'm really excited to try this out. And it seems like it's gonna work. I'm really happy about this. Well, that about wraps it up. I'd love to hear in the comments below if you think this is a good idea, your takes on it. If you think I'm just stupid, I sure know I'm gonna use it, and it's gonna come in handy. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. See you around, and have a good day.